make people understand numbers and statistics. Our brain often has a hard time processing numbers and statistics. It requires too much thinking. However, sometimes people need to be better informed or understand numbers because they are important to them, maybe for their well-being or welfare. One domain in which it is important people understand numbers and statistics is in media or news. We all know how headlines can direct our opinions or decision making. But truth is, most of us find it very hard to interpret numbers mentioned in headlines or news articles. To give you an example of a headline that was once published in the New York Times. The Ohio National Guard brought 25,000 gallons of drinking water to the affected region while volunteers handed out bottled water. What does that number mean? Is it a lot? Is it bad? Is it high? Low? Should I care? Is there danger in it for me? Should I do something? We are basically clueless. A group of researchers at Brown University wanted to tackle this problem. They came up with a technique called anchoring, adding perspectives that help people interpret information much better. So, the Ohio National Guard brought 25,000 gallons of drinking water to the affected region while volunteers handed out bottled water. To put this into perspective, 25,000 gallons of water is about equal to the amount of water it takes to fill 2 average swimming pools. So what can we learn from this? Well, if you have to communicate a number, try putting it into a perspective by finding an anchor and literally use this sentence to put this into perspective. So here's a tip. By using anchors, you can make information much more meaningful for someone as it puts meaning to a number or statistic.